taunted the sightless old man, unaware of the storm they were about to awaken. Baba's words, soft but piercing, shattered the boys' arrogance, leaving them vulnerable in the shadow of his unexpected wisdom. Eyes turned towards the boys, questioning not just their actions but the morals of the entire community, a ripple of introspection spreading through the crowd. The town stood divided, torn between supporting a humble beggar and condemning the youthful folly that dared to disrespect him, lines of loyalty being drawn in invisible ink. In silence, Baba weighed the heavy burden of pardon, his heart a battlefield where compassion clashed with the echoes of past wrongs. Secrets danced in the boy's eyes, a truth untold but simmering beneath the surface, threatening to rewrite the script of forgiveness. Silence descended like a shroud as the boys mustered the courage to unveil the hidden truth, the veil of deception about to be lifted before a captivated audience. Gasps punctuated the air, as the boys' revelation rewrote the narrative of betrayal and redemption, pushing Baba's forgiveness to its breaking point. Forgiveness hung heavy in the air, a beacon of hope amidst the tempest of revelations, beckoning the community to navigate the tangled maze of compassion and comprehension. Hands clasped in solidarity, hearts beating as one, the town rallied around Baba, proving that forgiveness held the key to unlocking hidden wellsprings of unity and growth.